Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete all products in Odoo. We'll walk through the process from the home screen all the way to removing your product records in bulk. This is especially useful if you're cleaning up a demo database, resetting test data, or simply clearing out a product list you no longer need. Bulk deletion can save a lot of time, compared to removing products one by one, but it's important to follow the process carefully to avoid accidental data loss. Since deleting products can affect your inventory setup, it's a good idea to make sure you really want to remove them before you continue. Double-check that the products you're about to delete aren't actively linked to open orders, stock movements, or other operations, as this could affect reports or inventory calculations. To start, go to the Odoo home screen. This is the main dashboard where you can access all of your apps and modules. From here, click on Inventory. This will open the Inventory Management area, where your stock, operations, warehouse tools, and product-related settings are located. Think of this section as the central hub for all your inventory-related tasks. After that, look for Products and click on it. In Odoo, this menu often gives you access to the records connected to the items you sell, store, or manage in stock. Next, click on Products again from the drop-down or sub-menu. This takes you to the full Products page, where you can view all existing product entries in your system. If you have a lot of items, this page may initially show them in a visual grid layout, depending on your current view settings. To make bulk deletion easier, switch to List View. This is an important part of the process because List View allows you to select multiple records at once. It gives you a more organized, table-style layout, which is much better for managing a large number of products. List View also makes it easier to scan product names, SKUs, or categories before deletion. Now, click the checkbox at the top of the list to select all visible products. This tells Odoo that you want to apply the next action to the entire selection. If your database contains many products, take a brief moment to confirm you've selected the correct set of records before moving on. This step helps prevent accidentally deleting products you still need. Once everything is selected, click on Actions. This opens a menu of bulk operations you can perform on the selected products. From that menu, click Delete. Odoo will then proceed with removing the selected product records. Keep in mind that, depending on your system configuration or product usage, some records may not be removable if they are tied to existing transactions or inventory history. Odoo will usually display a warning if certain products cannot be deleted. And that's it. That's how you delete all products in Odoo using the bulk action tools inside the inventory module. If you're working in a live system, always double-check before deleting, since this action may be difficult to reverse. A good practice is to perform a backup of your database before executing bulk deletions, especially in production environments, to ensure you can restore any data if needed.